Programming your Toyota 4Runner key fob yourself is often DIY friendly, especially for 2010-2025 models. Methods vary, particularly with newer models using the My Toyota app for digital keys. This overview will guide you through the essential steps. Remember, improper programming can cause issues, so consult your vehicle's manual if unsure. We'll cover both older lock-unlock cycling methods and newer app-based approaches. For 2010-2021 4Runners, the basic DIY method involves ignition cycling and button presses. Ensure your vehicle is unlocked, insert the key, and follow the lock-unlock sequence as specified in your manual. To erase a lost fob, perform the programming without it present. Newer models, 2022 Plus, primarily use the My Toyota app for pairing via NFC. Download the app, link your account, and sync your key. Key fobs use a CR232 battery. Always reprogram after changing it. If you have a model with a factory security system, dealership intervention is advised.